Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do weekly love reading for Sagittarius 5 Sun for the November month, and this is general reading, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see your messages, Sagittarius. This is weekly reading. So your first card, wow, Ace of Cups, Nine of Swords, and Seven of Swords. So Sagittarius, your person may be sneaky, yeah, definitely, because Seven of Swords is here. Something sneaky energy is here, and Nine of Swords and Seven of Swords. Your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Definitely there is some false communication, miscommunication, or your person may be lied to you, cheated on you, something. There is going something between both of you. For some there is separation, and Ace of Cups, definitely you are doing self-love and you are doing work on yourself. Yeah, you are working on yourself, definitely. Ace of Cups is here, and Nine of Swords with Seven of Swords. Yeah, I think your person may be feeling guilty for what they did to you in past, and Nine of Swords, yeah, they are feeling guilty and they are not sleeping at night times. Maybe your person could be, maybe your person may be in anxiety, depression. They are thinking about you a lot. They are thinking about you a lot. Yeah, thoughts, they are getting lot of thoughts about you. Yeah, your person feeling very sad. Energy could be vice versa. So let's see some more. Sagittarius, two cards. I'm only taking one card. Wow, Eight of Wands, Two of Cups, Three of Wands. This could be long distance relationship. You and your person lives in different cities, different countries, and different states. And Eight of Wands with Two of Cups and Three of Wands. Definitely long distance relationship. For some it is also partial separation and no contact situation between both of you. You are not talking with each other. And Eight of Wands with Two of Cups, definitely some communication is going to be started in between both of you in near future. Three of Wands, yeah, waiting some, I think your person is waiting for you to take action towards you for right moment. Two of Cups, definitely there is love between both of you, equal love. I think some positive moment is coming in your life. Eight of Wands in this connection, especially because your person feeling sad for what they did in past. They're feeling very guilty. I am getting that message. So let's see some more. Yeah, Knight of Wands, Two of Wands, the Hierophant. Yeah, I think you are, I think for some you turn your back from your person and doing your work, and you are concentrating on your career and finances. And yes, your person want to communicate you. They want to send some messages, or you want to send some messages to your person. Energy could be vice versa. Two of Wands, this could be long distance relationship. I think you are also thinking about your person a lot, and your person also thinking about you a lot. And the Hierophant, for some, definitely there are some commitment issues between both of you. The Hierophant is here. I think some communication you are going to be received from your person. And Five of Wands, Three of Swords, Nine of Pentacles. Yeah, Five of Wands, yes, there are some disagreements between both of you. You are not on same page. You both are on different page. And Three of Swords with Nine of Pentacles, I think it's you, Sagittarius. You are heartbroken for what they did to you in past, your person, because your person is sneaky in past. For some it could be third party situation also, but you overcome that pain and you are now like this. You are emotionally and financially balanced, especially emotionally you are very balanced now. In past you are not, but now you gain that power, and you are also taking your power back. Yes, that's why your person feeling guilty. They are missing you a lot and they are waiting for the right moment, I am getting. But you are overcoming your pain. You are working on yourself, Sagittarius. So let's see your person current feelings and actions towards you, then we will get more clarity. Your person current feelings towards you, Sagittarius. Okay, first card, Page of Swords, the Moon, Nine of Cups. Yeah, you or your person could be Spices, water sign. Spices, Cancer, Scorpio, especially Spices. Definitely they are spying on your social media. Definitely they want to send some messages to you, communication, and they are wishing for this connection. But the moon is there. Definitely there are some disturbances, there are some secrets hidden in this connection. Maybe your person maybe hide something from you, or you are hide something from your person, but they are wishing for this connection and they are thinking they want to communicate you. Let's see their near future action towards you. Hierophant. Yeah, 2 times Hierophant card. Definitely this time they want to commit to you. See again, 9 of Swords, 10 of Cups. Yeah, they want to offer commitment to you, and 10 of Cups, they want this happiness with you. Sagittarius. Yeah, without you they are like, they are in anxiety, depression. Definitely they are thinking about you a lot. This card is 2 times, and Hierophant is also this time. They realize your worth after you walked away, after the separation between both of you. Definitely they realized that they want to commit to you. Yeah, they want to commit, they want to offer commitment to you, and they want to offer this happiness to you. Yeah, they want this happiness with you. 10 of Cups, happy family. You or your person could be Spices, Cancer, Scorpio, lot of Earth energy, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Aries, Leo, Sag, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. All energies are here, but lot of water energy and earth energy and fire energy is here. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed in near future. Four of Cups, Ace of Pentacles, Three of Pentacles, Three of Cups. Yeah, there is no collaboration between both of you, but it is coming. In connection cards, Three of Pentacles with Three of Cups, definitely you both want reconciliation and you both want to work on this relationship. In past, one person invest more in this connection than the other person. That is the issue. That's why Four of Cups is you, Sagittarius. You are not going to accept any offer that is offered by your person, Cup of Love, because you are now working on yourself. And Ace of Pentacles, definitely you are concentrating on your career, but Three of Pentacles, definitely your person want to offer long-term commitment to you. This connection is going to be next level if you both want to work on this relationship, definitely, because Three of Pentacles with Three of Cups, definitely you both want reconciliation and you both want to work on this relationship. For some, yeah, for some it could be third party situation, also third party involved. That's why one person is not able to accept the Cup of Love. So let's see Sagittarius, your overall energy for the week. The Fool. Wow. King of Cups, Knight of Cups, sorry, and the Temperance. Yeah, this is your card. Patience and balance. You are in, already told you, you are not emotionally in balance anymore. You are not dependent on anymore. That's why the Temperance, patience and balance. Definitely you are in balance, Sagittarius. Now, I think this November month is very, very good positive month for you, Saggy. And Sagittarius and Knight of Cups, definitely you have strong emotions for your person. Still you are working on yourself because you are giving first priority to yourself than anybody else. Yeah, the Fool, definitely this is very, very positive energy, and this energy is very, very good, and you are going with the flow. Yeah, you are living in the present moment. This is very positive energy, Sagittarius. So let's see your person overall energy for the week. Three of Swords, Nine of Pentacles, and Justice. Yeah, they want second chance. They want communication, Sagittarius. Yeah, Magician, they are manifesting you back. Definitely they want you and they want this connection. And Nine of Pentacles, they are also working on their self, and they are also concentrating on their Pentacles because this pain. They want to forget this pain. That's why they are working very hard towards their goals. If they are working hard, and that time they may be forget you, but they thinking about you, especially in night times, a lot. That's why they are working hard to forget you, but it impossible to forget you, to them. Definitely they want second chance and they want some communication, Sagittarius. Yeah, your person feeling like this, heartbroken, they are heartbroken, they want you back. It's up to you. So this is the reading for you, Sagittarius. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.